Hey everyone, if you've created a tutorial in Guidde AI and want to download it for offline use, sharing, or backup purposes, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to download videos from Guidde AI step by step in 2026. First, sign in to your Guidde AI account and open the guide or video you want to download. Make sure the tutorial has finished processing completely,
Creating
including any
document.
AI voiceovers or edits you've added. Next, review the video one final time to ensure everything looks correct. Check the screenshots, instructions, transitions, and narration before downloading the finished version. Once you're ready, look for the export or download option within the guide editor or video settings. The exact location may vary depending on updates to the platform and your subscription plan. Click the download or export option and choose your preferred format if multiple options are available. Guidde will begin preparing the video for download. And that's how to download videos from Guidde AI in 2026. It's a simple process that allows you to save and share your tutorials whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.